Hey everyone, Gabriel Varga here, registered nurse. Today I'm going to share with you how to work out smarter and what I often find myself being asked by my many clients who come and see me for anti-aging and rejuvenation procedures. I'm going to share with you what I've learned after spending thousands on personal training sessions and what gave me incredible results for a recent photo shoot that I did in Belize on a tropical island for a whole week. And years of experience and things I've learned along the way of being married to a professional athlete. Let's get started. I'm sure you've heard this a million times, but you absolutely need to carve out time in your busy schedule for exercise. No one is going to do this for you. As a busy full-time professional woman myself, I make a point to exercise at least 3 times a week. If you don't put this time aside, you run the risk of being too tired or too busy at the end of the day, and then you'll miss out on your workouts. Set yourself up for leading a long and healthy life by taking the time to care for your body now. Find a gym that you love for your personal workouts that are going to be on your own. Also, check out high intensity or HIIT group training classes and find a personal trainer that you jive with. And be sure to check in with the personal trainer every now and again just so that you get reminded exactly how a workout should feel and look so that you get the most out of your training. One of my mistakes was that I kind of wasn't working out hard enough. I was taking the time to get to the gym, I was going through the motions, but I wasn't doing it at the intensity that I should have been doing it at. Now that you've made time and found a gym that you like, make sure that you're working out in a way that maximizes your time and covers all of your bases. What I've personally found to be the 3 components of physical fitness include cardiovascular training, strength and conditioning, and flexibility and stability training. I will talk about these 3 key aspects a little later in this series that focuses on bodily health, and of course is a key starting point for allowing you to build upon your ground and your foundation of your body, mind, and spirit. Focusing on the body is really the first step to allow you to become as beautiful as possible on the inside and out. Work out smarter by actually doing things that you enjoy and even try new things along the way. The easiest way to fall into a workout rut is to stop working out. This usually happens if you run out of ideas, get injured, or you're just simply bored at the gym and you need something new to do. If you're on a budget, check out some videos on YouTube here, but a word of caution, when you try new activities, it's always a good idea to do a check-in with someone to check your form, your alignment, in order to prevent things like injury and help you get the most out of the workout. Working with a personal trainer can also help you overcome injuries that you might have already had and help you work with them in a really safe way, because you can still be healthy despite having a chronic disease. You should do exercises that you enjoy. Mix it up with something new and start to engage new muscle groups. By doing new movements and new activities, you actually form new neural connections in your brain. And there's of course the physical component to being fit, and when you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you look good. Now you know how to work out smarter, and it all starts with first setting aside the time to actually work out. Then find activities you enjoy and always include cardiovascular training, strength and conditioning, flexibility, and stability. Stay tuned for the next video in this series to help give you ideas and practices for improving your body, mind, and spirit, and your beauty on the inside and out. How do you like to maximize your fitness routines? Do you have any suggestions or do you have any questions? Make sure you leave them in the comments below. If this video was helpful for you, be sure to subscribe and like so that I know to make more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.